Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to go on to Snapchat, okay? Now, once you're in Snapchat, you're going to be on your camera, okay? Now basically, blocking goes over here, and on Snapchat is a little bit different, okay? Basically, once you block someone, if you want to unblock him, you have to go and unblock him from somewhere else. Then you have to re-add him. So to see your blocked list and who you blocked, first of all, you're going to go on the top left corner, okay? And from the top left corner, you're going to navigate to the top right corner to this settings or cogwheel, okay? Now from there, you're going to scroll down all the way down after additional settings to privacy control. Now you're going to scroll down over and over and over and over and over until you see. Okay, you're going to scroll down until you're going to go all the way down until over here, account actions. Okay, basically right under contact syncing, you can find something called blocked. If you click on blocked, as you can see who every single one you blocked on Snapchat. If I click on X, okay, are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatter? And basically, if you click yes, you're going to unblock that friend. So yeah, this is basically how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.